How to draw Pikachu. So we'll begin the sketch by drawing a line, and from this line we'll draw two ears of Pikachu. So the first ear and the second ear. After this, need to draw the outline of the face, and with that done, we'll draw the eye, which should be right below the ear. And inside the eye, draw a circle. And fill in the remaining space. Draw a tiny V or a triangle and fill it. Then two U shapes and a big U. And after this, we are gonna mark the tongue below that line which forms the chin. Then we'll put two circles following which we will extend the line below. This forms the arm, and after this we'll form the other arm, so it's raising one of its other arm. After you fill it, then we'll extend this bottom line the way we did here. We'll make the foot of Pikachu, then we'll add a line, then about the other foot. With this done, the only thing missing here is its tail. We'll draw, just follow the way I'm doing, try to sketch after me. Now we'll start coloring this. So the Pikachu is yellow in color, and we have left one more detail in the ear. Now we'll just fill in this color. And the red color on the cheek. Then we'll now start coloring. So it's easy, very easy to draw Pikachu. Next we'll color the tongue using pink color and the inside of the mouth using red color.